Hey guys, I'm Rob from Eureka, and this is the Midori. It's a compact and lightweight backpacking tent that doesn't skimp on features. Simply put, it's a lot of tent in a small package, and it's super easy to set up. Today, I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you want to do is unpack the bag and make sure you've got all your parts. For the Midori, you're going to have 2 main poles, 1 ridge pole. You're going to have the tent's rain fly, the tent body, and then a small bag with your stakes and guy lines. There's also printed instructions sewn right into the carry bag here in case you don't have this video available. Your first step is you're going to take the tent body and spread that out. While you're doing so, you want to find the 4 corner grommets with webbing. Those are along the perimeter of the floor here. Now it's time to assemble the main frame poles. It's just as easy as snapping these together and making sure the ferrules are seated nice down in each frame section. Take your 2 frame poles and lay them on top of the tent body in this X orientation and align the ends with your corner grommets. Now you can make your way around the tent and connect all the frame clips with the yellow webbing to the main frame poles. Okay, now you've got the main structure set up. Now you're ready to assemble and install the blue ridge pole. That you'll place on top of the main frame. You'll insert either end into the blue pockets located above each of the doors, and then attach the blue clips to the blue pole. At this point, you're ready to stake down the 4 corners of the tent. Now you're ready for the rain fly, and to get it oriented properly on the tent, make sure you match the webbing color on the fly to that on the tent. Now that you've got the fly roughly positioned on the tent, it's important to reach underneath the tent, attach the Velcro to the main poles. There'll be 4 of those on this tent along each of the guy out points. Now you can secure the fly to the tent body by matching the corresponding webbing colors. Finally, you're ready to stake out the vestibule and attach the guy lines. That's it for the Midori, a great backpacking tent that's really easy to assemble. So you spend less time setting up and breaking down camp and more time on the trail. Get out there and enjoy it.